Hi everyone, it's Pamela. I hope that everyone had a nice Easter holiday. By the time I post this video, it'll probably be after Easter, but I'm gonna proceed with the video anyway. And I'm sorry there was quite a bit of time between the last video I posted and this one, but I do have more videos planned. This week, I'm going to be decorating Easter eggs. And I think I'm gonna keep the camera focused on my hand so you can see what I'm doing. So it'll be a little bit different style, but maybe you can use some of these ideas for next Easter. I put about a dozen eggs into room temperature water, and then once it starts boiling, I'm gonna leave it in for about 5 minutes. The egg decorating kit that I got is this PAAS emoji eggs, and it has the dye tablets and a bunch of stickers in it. I also got the colorwhip version. The instructions on this one are a little bit more complicated, so maybe I'll also try these later. Our family friends also bought us these egg sleeves. I was never really skilled with these, but I shall attempt this too. I'm adding more water and I'm gonna boil it again. I'm gonna attempt to do the egg sleeve next. I cut out 2 of these sleeves and I'm just gonna slide the egg in there. It's gonna be a quick motion. Let's see if I can get this. Whoop. Okay, now the second one. So I decided to make 4 of these actually, so I'm gonna do 2 more. So now I'm gonna add the tablets to the cups. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to each cup. And I'm gonna let that dissolve. I'm gonna swirl the colors around a little bit with the stick. And now I'm gonna add half a cup of room temperature water to each cup. And I'm gonna mix it a little bit, going from lightest color to darkest. And now I'm just gonna put in the eggs. Carefully, I don't want it to splash too much. I'm gonna leave them in for at least 5 minutes, probably a little bit more. So I'm finally gonna take out the eggs. I left them in more like 15 minutes, and also I put some magazines and paper towels over in case it'll get a little bit messy when I'm gonna try to take them out. And so now this case can also function as a little stand for the eggs. So you can just like punch out these little holes and then you can put the eggs in. So I have my egg dipper and now I'm gonna take out the eggs. I've never done the color whip before, so it'll be interesting. I'm gonna need my gloves for this one. Okay, so first I just need to open it. So I'm gonna mix the whip powder and a 1/3 cup of water. And I'm gonna use an electric beater. And they said about 3 minutes. It should start to get foamy. That looks foamy enough to me. Now it says to use parchment paper, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna improvise. I'm just gonna need some sort of like flat surface to put the foam on. So I'm gonna spread it evenly. And now I'm gonna put in the dyes and create a pattern. they said to use a toothpick to help with the swirls. Press in to create my egg stands, so I'll have a place to put the eggs when I'm done. We're gonna dip the eggs into the foam, and they say use a dipping and swiping motion, do not roll. Just gonna let that sit. And now the final step is to gently wash off the foam, and hopefully the color pattern will stay. So that's the completed Easter basket. But you know, why just stop at decorating eggs? Why not decorate yourself too a little bit? Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye!